What's up? You're watching the In Vegas Style. Today I have an LED solar light that you just might be interested in. Let's take a look. Now let me note one thing. This product came very well packaged, and I just wanted to let you know because for me that's a big thing. Now what comes inside? Well, you get the light, of course. Then you get your user manual. Of course, this already comes attached to the light on the back, but you also get the mounting hardware. Now notice inside you see that round key with it's like a pin. Well, that is so when you actually go to the back of the light, now there's a power button right there. See that? So once it's finally charged for 3 days, then you go ahead and push that button and then you should be good to go. Now let's get started. Here is the light, and here are those sensors, those solar panels. Okay, so it has plenty of them for the sun. Now let me flip over this so that way you can see the orientation of how they have this nice and set up, the different light patterns and how they're directed. Now the one thing that I really like about this is if I flip this over like this, I can slide the back part of this, and this is for the mounting hardware. So all I have to do is literally go up on the roof and then go ahead and fasten this up there and then just slide down the light and I am good to go. Now I lost a whole lot of time with this light out here. It is kind of bright right now, but it's just not enough for what I need. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang it up and then we gotta wait 3 days. Once it's 3 days over, then we're gonna go ahead and go back and we're gonna see what the light looks like at nighttime. Okay, so it's about 9 o'clock at night and I am doing this now because the sun was just so unbelievably hot. But I wanted to show you guys that I'm actually mounting this. So, okay, so here's the light. I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up. It's as easy as that, guys. Simple as that. And now by the next time you see this video, this is gonna be nice and charged up and we're gonna see exactly how much light this puts up. So 3 days later, and here we are. It's day 3 and I believe this light should be ready to go. Now the only thing is the weather has been really cloudy, just like this, and there's been rain and stuff like that here in Vegas. So hopefully let's see what happens with these lights when I turn it on. All right guys, so this is what it looks like outside my house. As you can see, it's pretty dark. I'm gonna walk up just a little closer because I have this other light that turns on. And that's fine, but I want you to see how this light turns on in the dark for the first time. All right, so the first thing I had to do is turn this on. So I had to put the key in here. And there we go, push it on. Whoa. Okay, let's go hang these lights up. Okay, so here is the light in action now. I just hung it up. Let me walk closer. And let's see. See how bright. Ooh, nice. So let me go back. And I have to say it lights up quite a bit. Not bad. Okay, so moments ago I showed you guys my house with the light turning on the right hand side. Now I have turned on the light that I just placed on the top of my house, and it's that one right there that we're looking at right now. So I'm gonna try to avoid the lights on the right hand side so that we can see the power of this light all together. So let me walk a little bit closer. Should start turning on sooner, or adjusting the brightness. There we go. Okay, so there it is. Now let me step back and show you how much light this is actually putting out. So I think, honestly, in my opinion, this is a great buy. Look at all that lights. Let me get closer here. Sorry for all the crunching on the rocks there, but let me get under the light. That is pretty bright, guys. Now, do I think it's worth it? Most definitely. Look at that. So if you're in the market for lights, definitely check these lights out. I think it'll do the job. Just figure out where you're gonna place them and bam, let it charge for 3 days and you should be good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. The In Vegas Style.